Welcome. Thank you for joining me as we discuss the services and resources available to international students at MCPHS University. My name is Sarah Sanford, and I am the Director of International Academic Services in the MCPHS Center for International Studies. I'm excited to share with you the diverse global community that we have here at MCPHS. MCPHS University's mission is to prepare graduates to advance health worldwide through excellence, innovation, and collaboration in teaching, practice, scholarship, and research, and transform the communities that they will serve. Part of these global efforts is supporting the 1,000 plus international students from over 100 plus countries that join us every year. Our international population brings a valued global perspective crucial to the future of the health science professions, and it is valued by students, staff, and faculty. The Center for International Studies was created as a touch point for MCPHS global engagement, and we look forward every new academic year to supporting international student success by providing resources and support specific to the population of diverse and varied backgrounds. The center itself is a network of departments that assists in serving MCPHS's global endeavors. There are 4 departments. Our Department of International Programs focuses on creating educational opportunities outside the U.S. However, it is the 3 departments that focus almost exclusively on the needs and concerns of our international population that we will be covering in this presentation. These departments are the International Academic Services, Immigration and International Support Services, and the English Language Resource Center. The International Academic Services Department provides academic services tailored to international students' needs and concerns, and collaborates with other departments university-wide to support international student success. In addition to coordinating with other university departments, the IAS provides special academic advising, training on intercultural skill sets, and resources to support students experiencing the cultural adjustment process, often referred to as culture shock. The IAS also works with other CIS departments to manage international student events and programs, many of which are led by our international students in leadership positions. If you have any questions, you can reach IAS at the email listed on this slide, or follow our international student leaders on their Instagram at MCPHS_ISG. Many international students coming to the U.S. for educational purposes will need to obtain a U.S. student visa. This can be a daunting prospect for some. However, our Immigration and International Support Services Office is here to help our students obtain and maintain the proper legal immigration status in the U.S. The IISS, as we like to call it, is staffed by experienced and skilled international student advisors who can assist students in navigating the U.S. immigration system before, during, and in some cases, even after their time at MCPHS. The third department in the CIS that we will discuss serves all students in need of improving their English language skills. The English Language Resource Center, also known as the ELRC, works with any English language learner or multilingual students who would like additional support in growing and developing their necessary language skills needed for academic success. The ESL faculty within the ELRC can help students with grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, reading, writing, speaking, or any English language skill necessary for their classes. So we just discussed 3 departments that work in various areas of international student experience. However, the departments of the Center for International Studies also collaborate on various events and programs that are designed to contribute to international student success. One such program, the MCPHS International Resources Orientation, or as we like to call it, MIRO, there's a lot of acronyms at MCPHS, It is usually the first international student experience that matriculated international students have at MCPHS. Hosted in the weeks leading up to the first semester, Miro allows students to learn a little bit about important academic and social and immigration topics. New students also meet and spend time with their fellow international student peers and are also able to network with our international students, professors, and staff. MCPHS recognizes that students eager to pursue their university education in another country arrive with different language levels, cultural backgrounds, and educational experiences. To meet the needs of our international student populations, the university has created transition programs that address various challenges for our US-bound international students. For students who have substantial English language skills but are not quite ready to jump into the full academic course load, MCPHS offers the Academic Bridge Program. This program is typically 1 to 2 semesters and allows students to take a structured curriculum that mixes degree courses with language learning courses taught in the context of the health sciences. Students interested in the Accelerated PharmD program at our Worcester or Manchester campuses often already have some university-level educational experience, but are not quite meeting all of our prerequisite course requirements. The Accelerated PharmD pathway provides an opportunity to come to Boston for 1 year to fulfill those missing admission requirements and gain experience in the MCPHS academics environment. A personalized schedule is created based on the individual student's academic needs. Also on offer are additional support services designed to assist the student in the Accelerated PharmD program application process. Our Early Start program is designed for students who have no American university experience at all. This 2-week program complements the previously mentioned MCPHS International Resources Orientation by providing a deeper dive into 4 major themes. 1 is building academic language strategies. 2 is creating a roadmap for study skills and academic expectations. 3 is developing those intercultural skills and professional competencies that you will be expected to possess as you complete your program. And 4 is building a social support network of fellow students, staff, and faculty. And our final transition program is our Graduate Studies Summer Program. The U.S. higher educational system is built on a tradition of liberal arts. These are courses that are covering topics in the humanities, social sciences, and physical sciences. And in many programs, including MCPHS programs, students are required to take a blend of these what we call general education courses. And these are considered essential to the educational experience. These courses are often, and indeed in most cases, completed before a student starts their major or program-specific requirements. This system is different from other educational approaches around the world. International students who already possess a bachelor's level degree but would like to enroll in our Accelerated PharmD program are often missing the liberal arts prereqs or prerequisites. This program provides them an opportunity during our summer term preceding the first semester of the Accelerated PharmD program to complete those necessary liberal arts requirements. This program also introduces basics of the American healthcare system, a complex and in many ways unfamiliar topic for many of our international students. I'd like to include some comments from one of our international students. Tala Akari is an MCPHS PharmD candidate, and she would like to share that the Immigration and International Support Services Office has been incredibly supportive and made the logistics and adjustment of being an international student that much easier. We enjoy welcoming students from around the globe every year, and we look forward to hearing from you. If you have any general questions, you can reach International Admissions at the email on the screen. Thank you.